The Kosaraf Charitable Foundation, founded by the Sheikh family, stands for children of Sheikh Abdul Rashid and Fahmida Begum in honor of their beloved parents. Established in loving memory, the foundation aims to make a positive impact on communities and individuals in the UK and abroad. The foundation was set up in 2007 by Harun and Farooq Sheikh, along with the wider Sheikh family. Their goals include helping people improve their lives and escape poverty, promoting education for underprivileged children in developing countries, supporting individuals with disabilities, and funding projects both in the UK and overseas, with a special focus on Africa and Southeast Asia. Sheikh Rashid, an accomplished businessman in East Africa, married Fahmida Begum in 1954. Together, they developed a deep love for their community, especially for those in need. Their shared values, including faith and hospitality, shaped their children's upbringing and continue to influence the family's philanthropic efforts. Sheikh Rashid's success in the family's sisal plantation business led him to explore new ventures, including a sisal plantation in the Poppy Hills region of Islamabad, Pakistan. To oversee operations, he even obtained his pilot's license and acquired an airplane. In 1963, tragedy struck as Sheikh Rashid's plane experienced a mechanical failure shortly after takeoff, resulting in a fatal crash. His passing at the age of 38 left a significant void. After Sheikh Rashid's untimely demise, a group of trustees, led by one of Fahmida's Begum elder brothers, managed his estate. In 2014, Mrs. Fahmida Begum also passed away, leaving behind a legacy of selfless dedication to helping others. Following her teachings, her children established the Fahmida Begum Foundation in Mehran Town, Karachi, one of the city's largest and poorest areas. The Fahmida Begum Foundation, a non-profit welfare organization, aims to support and uplift the deprived, contributing to a progressive and prosperous society. With a focus on community transformation, the foundation addresses education and literacy, special education needs and disabilities, sustainable food solutions, medical program, milk malnutrition program, mental health awareness, women empowerment program, and hardship grants for everyone in Mehran Town. During the holy month of Ramadan, the Kosaraf Foundation carries out a major project worldwide, Ramadan Food Parcel Distribution. In Karachi, Pakistan, this initiative is spearheaded by the Fahmida Begum Foundation. Each food parcel provided to families contains essential ration to sustain them throughout the month. Like last many years, the foundation implemented an organized approach to ensure efficient delivery of food aid. 2 months before Ramadan, a meticulous process involving data management, recipient selection, monitoring, and distribution planning was undertaken. Detailed application forms were collected from beneficiaries, followed by verification visits. Selected beneficiaries were then invited to collect their food parcels during a 3-day distribution drive, with identity verification by dedicated teams and volunteers. Thanks to the support of Kosaraf and other donors, the Fahmida Begum Foundation expanded its outreach this year. Over 1,081 Ramadan food parcels were distributed, providing sustenance to numerous families. Additionally, daily iftar meals were served to 250 community members. A grand iftar dinner for 500 beneficiaries. Eid gifts distribution and Chand Raat events were also organized for the beneficiaries. Following Ramadan, the foundation arranged an Eid Milan party to celebrate as a community and provide support to children facing adversity. The Fahmida Begum Foundation extends its heartfelt gratitude to Kosaraf and all donors for their invaluable support. None of these achievements would have been possible without your generosity.
اغفر لي والمسلمين.